Picture this. You wake up one morning, check your phone, and there it is, another $500 sitting in your account. You didn't work an extra hour. You didn't ask your boss. You just collected money that was working for you while you slept. That's the dream, right? And here's the thing. It's more realistic than most people think. By the end of this, you'll know three specific ways to generate $500 in monthly passive income. And the last method? It doesn't even require a big pile of cash to get started. So grab a coffee, settle in, and let's figure out how to put money in your pocket while you live your life. Here's where most people get it wrong. They think passive income means no work at all. They imagine a magic button somebody pressed for them. That's not what we're building. What we're actually talking about is front loading the work, setting up something once, and then letting it run. Think of it like writing a book. You spend a year writing it, then it sells while you're doing other things. The income becomes passive in the sense that you stop trading time for money. That's the shift that changes everything. All right, let's start with the easiest on-ramp there is. High-yield savings accounts. These are FDIC-insured accounts offered by online banks that pay significantly more than the national average. We're talking rates that climbed as high as 4.5 to 5% in 2023 and 2024, far above the 0.5% you'd get at a traditional big bank. The best part, you need almost no financial knowledge to get started. You just need a computer and about 10 minutes to open an account. Let me show you how the math works, because that's where it gets real. If you put $10,000 into a high-yield savings account at 4.5% APY, that generates roughly $37 per month. Not $500 yet, but it's a foundation. Now, here's what happens when you let compound interest do its thing. That same account earns you about $450 per year without touching it. Open a joint account with a partner, and you're at $900 a year doing nothing. The risk, essentially zero. FDIC insures accounts up to $250,000 per depositor. Your principal is protected. Banks like Ally, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, and SoFi have been offering these rates, and they've been reliable. You won't retire on this method alone, but it's the fastest, safest way to start earning passive income right now, today, with whatever you have sitting in a checking account earning 0.01%. Now, this is where it gets more interesting. Dividend investing. Instead of parking your money in a savings account, you buy shares of companies. Or better yet, dividend ETFs. That pay you simply for holding them. These aren't one-time payments. Companies like Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, and Procter & Gamble have paid and increased their dividends every single year for more than 50 years. That's not a lucky streak. That's a business model. Dividend ETFs, like CHD from Schwab or VYM, the Vanguard High Dividend Yield Fund, bundle hundreds of these companies together. One share gives you instant diversification. And the yields? We're looking at 3 to 4% per year in many cases. Here's the number that matters. If you build a $50,000 portfolio in a dividend ETF yielding 3.5%, you earn roughly $146 per month, every month, without lifting a finger. My friend Derek started with $25,000 in SCHD 3 years ago. He contributes $200 monthly on top of it. By the start of 2024, his account was worth around $56,000, and he was collecting about $163 per month in dividends. He didn't day trade. He didn't stare at charts. He just bought and held and reinvested every dividend. The magic of compounding is that each quarterly payout buys more shares, which generates the next payout. It's a snowball rolling downhill. It takes time, usually 5 to 10 years to build something substantial. But once it's rolling, it doesn't stop. If you're finding this useful so far, hit that subscribe button. I've got something even better coming up next. And honestly, this last method is the one that changed my thinking completely. Okay, this is the one I've been waiting to tell you about. Digital products. This is where the math gets almost absurd, because this method doesn't require a lump sum of cash at all. What it requires is knowledge and a few weeks of focused work. Here's the concept. You create something once. A spreadsheet, a template, a guide, a course, a digital workbook. And you sell it over and over. There's no inventory. There's no shipping. There's no production cost every time someone buys. Every single dollar that comes in after the platform fee is pure profit. Imagine you build a budgeting spreadsheet and sell it for $27. If you get 20 sales in a month, that's $540 for work you did one time. If you get 50 sales, you're at $1,350 in a single month. Now, you might think that's unrealistic for a beginner. Here's why it's not. Pat Flynn, who runs the site Smart Passive Income, started selling a simple PDF study guide for an architecture exam in 2008. That one product eventually generated over $30,000 in a single month. One document. No employees, no warehouse. You don't need Pat's audience to make this work either. People with small Instagram accounts or email newsletters sell Notion templates, Canva templates, and digital planners every single day. I've seen creators bring in $200 to $500 per month within their first 3 months. The upfront cost? Essentially zero. You can use free tools like Canva or Google Sheets to build your first product. Gumroad charges nothing to set up a store. They take a small cut only when you make a sale. That's the part that gets me. A savings account needs $150,000 to generate $500 a month. A digital product needs one good idea and the willingness to build it. Those are fundamentally different barriers to entry. And for most people watching this, the digital product path is the one that actually fits their life right now. So here's what just happened. You learned 3 real paths to $500 a month in passive income. A high-yield savings account. Zero risk, zero skill required, money working today. A dividend ETF portfolio. Moderate capital needed, builds over time, compounds on its own. And a digital product. Almost no capital required, scales purely on the value of what you know. None of these are get-rich-quick schemes. They're not lottery tickets. They're systems. And systems, built correctly, don't lie. The best part is that these 3 methods aren't mutually exclusive. You can start a savings account this week, invest in dividend ETFs on a slow month, and build a digital product in your spare time, all at the same time. Each one feeds the others. Your savings account grows. Your dividends reinvest. Your digital product gets better and attracts more buyers. And before you know it, that $500 a month target isn't even the ceiling anymore. If this video gave you something useful, share it with someone who's been putting off getting serious about their money. And if you want more videos like this one, practical steps, real numbers, no fluff, hit subscribe. I've got plenty more where this came from. I'll see you in the next one.